Fam, are you feeling a little bit stiff or sore? You're not alone. In just 5 minutes, I'll show you how to loosen up your muscles. And this one, you want to do it every day in the morning and in the evening. Let's get it. So you're going to lock your fingers together. You're going to raise your hands above your head. Very similar to a side bend, but you're doing it whilst you're seated. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next is the cat-cow. So you want to get in a cat-cow position. Get on all fours. Make sure that you're controlling your breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay on all fours. Raise your opposite leg and opposite arm and balance on the opposite leg and arm touching the ground, just like I'm doing here. So you're going to hold this stretch for about 30 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. So do the same thing with the opposite hand and opposite leg. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. So next up, we're going to stretch your calves. So you're going to go in a downward dog position and you're going to start stretching your calves as well. So try get your heels to actually touch the ground or the floor to make sure you get that full stretch in your calves and in your hamstring. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next up, cobra stretch. This is one of my favorite. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I usually get some discomfort in my shoulders and in my back. This has been ongoing for a couple of years, so this is a great stretch to help with that and just relieve some of the tension in your muscles. And I feel it mostly in the shoulder blade and in the lat. So five, 4, 3, 2, 1. On to low lunges. Low lunges are probably one of my favorite for the leg, just to get that full stretch in the quad, especially with the back foot stepping back. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure that your legs are strong and lean. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the next one is the standing forward bend. So you want to lean forward, try touch your toes, touch the ground. So this is one of my favorite to just remove any tension in the lower back. try this stretch and make sure that you include this one if you have any lower back pain or any problems. So fam, make sure that you bookmark this video and make sure that you do this every single day, in the morning, in the evening. Let's do it. Let's get it, fam.